Hi, today we're gonna make an explosion with Brock, because just hanging out with him, you know, and we're gonna teach you how to make a vinegar and baking soda explosion. Ingredient, vinegar. It can be any kind of vinegar, it doesn't really matter, it doesn't matter the brand, whatever, it's just vinegar. Next ingredient you'll need is some baking soda. It doesn't really matter what kind, it just needs to be baking soda. And you'll need some sort of bottle that's like plastic and it has a top so you can screw it on, you know. Yeah, it has to be like some sort. It came with like Gatorade or Powerade. That's like too hard. It has to be like good. Next, you'll need some saran wrap to put the baking soda in. All right, so first step to actually making it, you need a couple inches of saran wrap, pretty wide, not that wide, but good enough so you can put some baking soda on it. Take the spoon, take just like a normal spoon that you have at home, doesn't really matter. Spoonful of baking soda will be good. Gosh, I just spilled baking soda all over. Just spread it out on there. Spread it out a little bit. Just not spread it out a little bit. Just do this. Make it spread out a little bit. I just spilled that everywhere. Alright, so next you want to do, you just want to roll it up, basically. You just want to roll it up really tight so nothing falls out. And basically, it's like this. It's gonna look like this. Make sure you tighten it together. Maybe spin it a couple times. Alright. Then what you want to do, you want to take your bottle, get the vinegar, pour some vinegar, a little, about quarter of the way. It's gonna take a lot of vinegar. Your mom or dad might get mad, but it's okay. Oh, I just spilled vinegar on myself. It really just has to be a quarter or more to make the explosion good. And then you just leave the cap out. And I'll show you what to do next outside. See you. So I don't smell like vinegar. All right, guys. So what you want to do? You want to take your bottle. That's pretty good. You want to open it, okay? Now, you take your little thing of baking soda, saran wrap baking soda. You try to get it in there. Once you put it in there, you gotta shut it fast and really tight, and then you start shaking it up, and then throw it out there down, and it will explode everywhere. All right? Just watch. It's too big. Won't fit in. Alright. Now you gotta close it really tight. Shake it up a lot. Shake it up a lot. And then what you wanna do? Oh my gosh, guys, that was crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, 1 second, guys. Look at it. It's all over. What happened to the bottle? It just opened the cap. Where's the cap? Dude, it went, the saran wrap. Dude, I threw it right there, okay? It came all the way over here. Right here. That was crazy, dude. I want to try to find the cap. Mine hit the car a little. Dude,
nice.
I want to try to find the cap.
Oh, dude, you won't find it.
Is it disintegrate?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so basically that's it. I'll meet you guys inside with the real outro. Alright, guys, that was crazy, dude. It exploded all of the cars. Nasty, you know? It smelled like vinegar. It's all over my legs. It's just crazy. But, hi, Brock. And then, so this is going to be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe. Peace.